At the heart of every truck, bus, or machine lies a vital pulse, a silent force that drives progress. From construction sites to city streets, from ports to highways, our products are essential to the world. They transport goods and people. But it is the dedication of individuals that truly keep them alive. When machines and people move in sync, the world doesn't just run, it flows. Our planners, pickers, drivers, and technicians, the human heart behind every delivery, every repair, and every moment of uptime. This is more than service. It's the pulse that keeps our world moving forward. No customer left behind, no beat skipped. A global pulse that never stops. Service at heart.